Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you a method that you can use if you're facing this. You'll need a new app to open this Steam game. So usually if you are using or trying to play a cracked game, you will see this kind of error. So it doesn't connect with Steam, so it shows you this error. So what you'll have to do is when you install the file, you'll get a installation files folder in your hard drive. So it may be a CD or it may be a burnt disk. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to go through there and you'll have to see if there are any cracked files there. Let me show you an example. So here are some games that I've downloaded. So Marvel's Guardian of Galaxy, if I go into this folder, you'll see there is a folder named CrackFix. So there was an installer here as well. So in the installation folder, look for a folder named Codex, Rune, FitGirl, from wherever you've downloaded your file from. So you'll see a folder that will contain the crack. Most of the time it will contain the crack. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to go into the folder and copy everything that's in there, and then you'll have to paste the contents in the directory that you've installed the game to. So for example, if you'll have a shortcut of the game in your desktop. So to get to the directory, right click on it and then press open file location. So from here you'll have to paste the crack. So after you paste the crack, this Steam error will not show it anymore. So this is how you'll have to fix this error, and you'll have to have your installation file to fix this error. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.